Hey, welcome back for today's day 10 of Self Love Challenge. And if you've made it after all 9 days, congratulations, because this is a big achievement to love yourself for full 10 days in so many different ways, isn't it? If you're here for the first time, please go back and watch those earlier 9 self love challenge videos. The sequence of that we have given in the description below this video for your easy access. Watch one day at a time, okay? And in case you don't know me, my name is Mitesh Khatri, and this is
Hindu Khatri.
and we are law of attraction coaches and national best-selling authors of this book, The Law of Attraction. Today we are working on day 10 of Self-Love Challenge and only one day away from the 11th day. Indu, what is the day 10 challenge for us?
It is very interesting today.
Yes, every day is very interesting with Indu.
So today we are going to write down success stories of our life. Sit again with a cup of coffee or tea. Sit at a peaceful place with your diary, which I believe you started on day one, and write down the success story from the childhood.
As many success stories as you can
many
remember about
success
yourself.
Stories as you remember. So it can be clearing 10th standard boards exam, some competition, some
मेरे लिए तो
test,
बहुत बड़ा सक्सेस था 10th एग्जाम.
some test, some competition, some dance competition, learning something which was very difficult. There are a lot of things. Cracking an interview.
Yeah.
There are going to mountain, trekking, car.
Anything that you would call successful for yourself.
Exactly.
See, for me, maybe cycling is not a great successful thing for me because I thought it was something simple. But for me, it was driving. When I learned driving for the first time, I thought I was very successful at it. So maybe that is for you.
Yeah.
You decide what is success for you. And I think the way they can make it easy for themselves is go one age at a time.
Yes.
Right? Like go categorically. So let's say start with very early. What is the earliest memory of success that you remember? Maybe you were 5 years old, maybe 6 years old. Go as early as possible and then go slowly upwards from there till now. As many successful points as you can for yourself. Let us see as a challenge how many things can you write for yourself, right?
It can be very big, it can be very small. Also.
Yeah, recovering from a broken up relationship, finding your life partner, buying a beautiful house, buying a car, for an example, traveling internationally for the first time,
handling a
conflict, getting a promotion.
Communicating something very critical to somebody successfully. Like in my case, there was one team was handed over to me, and two people in that team were told that they will be sent on site. When they joined me, they were having that expectation, and I had that conversation with them, and it went very peacefully.
See, that's a success
And
experience
that's a
for
success
her.
experience for me because I could communicate to them that no, we are not sending you on site. So that's a success experience. So
And
you
for
decide.
me, I remember when I was in school, I don't know if you remember, I was in part of a musical band and I was the guitarist. I was the lead guitarist, by the way. Now I don't know how to play guitar. I've forgotten it. So we bolna mat ki baja ke dikhao. But those days I was a lead guitarist, and believe it or not, when we finished the concert, we were in an inter-school competition those days. And there were supposed to be only 3 winners, I remember. The first winner was some band, I don't remember that anymore. And second was there, and then third was there. We thought at least तीसरा तो हमको मिल जाएगा, but नहीं मिला.
Oh.
And 30 seconds के बाद में, the judge says, sorry, there was a mistake. The third one was us. And oh my God, it was a crazy experience where suddenly first that team was happy because they had got the name, but then the judges said that was a mistake and our name was announced after that. We were super happy. Now this was a successful experience for me.
Yeah.
These memories, the more you remember them, the more you collect your successful experiences, makes you fall in love with yourself of how amazing you are, how many amazing things you've done in your life. Your appreciation for yourself will go 100 times more if you could literally write down 100 successful experiences of your life.
And you have to write down, remember that, okay? Don't do it in
Don't just do it in your mind.
Yeah, the one more reason I'm asking you to write down is because whenever you feel low, go back to this diary and read these success stories. It will uplift you like this.
And write it aram se. Like don't go very fast like an exercise to write 50 successful things. Koi numbers ka koi challenge nahi hai yahan pe. Write as many things as you can, but after writing each, smile.
Yeah.
Go back to that memory.
Go back to that.
Yeah, relive that emotion of being successful in that memory. Like right now, when I described that entire exercise of me winning that musical band, I literally went back to that memory and I remembered I am successful.
Yes.
Go back, live every successful experience that you can. And then in the comment section, please tell us, how many did you write? I would love to know.
I would love to know.
Let's have a challenge. चलो देखते हैं इस comment section के नीचे किसके सबसे ज्यादा नंबर आते हैं. नॉट अच्छा झूठ वाले नहीं है मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि जीतने के लिए 500 लिख दिया. Genuinely, how many successful things were you able to remember for yourself? And let's have a competition. Who gets the maximum number of successful experiences for themselves? And anybody whom we find below this comment section who gets the maximum, we'll see the top 3 who got the maximum. So let's say if there is somebody who got 100, 98, and 95. So whoever's the top 3 will give you our daily magic practice for free. That's our promise. What do you think?
Yeah, that's a very good idea.
Okay, so that will give you the motivation to write right now. And one of the successful experiences you can definitely write from our side is completing 10 days of completing 10 days of self-love, and also the 11th day. Do you want your friends and family also to feel the way we are feeling right now, talking about ourselves and our successful experiences? Then what do you have to do?
Share it.
Simple. Share this video with 3 friends of yours or family members who you know need to remember their own successful experiences, because we are so hard on ourselves now. Many times we criticize ourselves so much. It's time to remember what are the good things that you did in your life, what are the successful things that you did in your life, and keep a collection of it. Don't let go of this notebook. Keep it with you always, because as she said, next time you're feeling low,
just go back to this diary and read few pages, and you'll be like, wow,
what an
this is
amazing
me.
person I am. Like, I love myself, right? Right. So please do this exercise. Let us know how you felt, how many things you wrote, and let's spread love in the world as much as we can. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notification for the day 11, last day, but one of the most amazing days. And then let's see what happens after 11 days in your life. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.